Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 1 will give a little bit about cafe observers and taxation cycle cafe observers.
Next, I will explain the business profile. UMKM Cafe observe, so the owner Cafe observe this Father Dio Agusti, and the type of business is food provider service and drinks. This Observe Cafe has 3 brands. This is Observe Namasena, Observe Cafe Tiban, and Observe Sydney. And the ones address Observe Cafe Tiban it in Tiban City Square Block A4 number 1, Dream Tiban Road number 3, Neo Tiban Sekupang Batam.
Here we will explain about background Cafe Observe. Cafe Amati is a cafe and popular restaurant and there are in Tiban Square. While this place is known with mature aesthetic and European style interior, this creating a cozy atmosphere and interesting the relaxed area with a comfortable interior and VIP room available. Observasi Cafe Tiban often decorates a place for dinner, hang out with friends, or hold special events. Will this cafe offer a selection of quality coffee with the taste creamy and smooth, like iced coffee, milk observe, hazelnut coffee and milk coffee, butterscotch and addition coffee drinks observe also provide very heavy as a stick, large sharing this, which is double enjoy together.
Good morning, sis. We are from student of from Poltek Batam. Today we're gonna be giving a little educational brief on tax literally from UMKM Observe. Let us discuss the payment and tax reporting. Before getting into the material, we want to ask, did sister ever have NPWP and report business tax? Not yet anyway. Oh, not yet. That will be explained by my friend. Please, Rifka.
Well, I will explain about his tax calculation. The first step is UMKM preparation. Must record all sales or business turnover per month. Example is 1 month turnover gain the first week 5 billion, week 2 for 5 billion, 3 week 5.5 billion, and the last week was another 5 million. Then all the turnover must be counted to the letter. In the tax calculation, we can find out how much tax we have to cut like that, because its sales recording every day is very important. So that business account. Now the actual amount of turnover, sister everyday recording. There is a sale.
Thank you. Yes, next will be explain about the payment taxes. After knowing the business turnover right, the next step is fulfill my duty. Tax payment according to profession rights. Current tax payment can be done online, sis. Him through the tax system provided by the government. The name of the website is Cortex. Maybe the state of taxation there are forces. First, broader prepare business data and PWP OKF observers continue to code billing. Then make a payment through the bank or mobile banking system. Whole sister type maybe keep the evidence report for reporting to Canwil sis. The sister had to do the payment is at the time limit. Let the debt cafe not to be sustained. Okay. According to brother need to payment proof to keep message anyway. Thanks sis.
Well, sis was a friend before. I already explained how to do the calculation and payment of tax, and how I'm gonna explain how to report tax. So after making the payment, the final step is to report the tax by mail notification or as well. Reporting like this can be done online, making it easier and more efficient. And what documents need to be used? The first is NPWP, the second data business turnover, the third proof of the payment. For there are business financial reports. Well, that will be explained by my friend Mareta.
Next, we will explain about how to report SPT. After documents are prepared, we will open the official portal in the GP Cortex Online. And then next, after that, we do login using NPWP user ID. We after that, when you represent the company, use impersonate factories. After that, on the main menu, navigate to the annual payment mail menu. And then next, we are gonna fill in the session. Master form. Well, later in the system, we will ask to enter main data is, for example, a tax center and bookkeeping data, business sector, audit and tax information table. Well, after that, charging attachment SPT. Scroll the or navigate to the attachment tab. Well, after that, the contents of the attachment such as attachment 1 to special attachment. Question with that is anticipated. In the Cortex, there are 22 categories of attachment, including 7 new, like detail of content phrase and calculation of factilities 31. Will after that, we submit and repayment. If all have been completed, back to the parent form and the check show final status late. We after status nihil. Will directly activate the submit or report. Nah, if the status interpret, if there are any remaining taxes, you have to make code billing versus pay off the payment. Just went back to the app to finish reporting. We after that, click the send button SPT. Thank you.
Okay, since the material that has been mentioned, we will understand there are 3 important steps in taxation of UMKM. Here's the record. Calculated the business turnover correctly, make the tax payment according to the profession and on time. So you can already understand a little about how to report this. Yes, I understand. Maybe that's all we can say from group 1. Maybe if something goes wrong, our lack of apology, yes. Thank you for your time and attention.